Hello, my name is Charles. I want to show you how you can create a Clickbank account in Nigeria. It's no new news that Nigerians are not allowed to participate, but it's also truth that so many Nigerians are participating. I myself, I am participating. I've got students who participate or who are participating in Clickbank. And one good news about the whole thing is that I've got a process of creating this account without VPN. This VPN, I tell you, have really been giving so much problems. I don't know. Anyway, it gave me problems while I tried using it. At a time, I wouldn't say if it is a scam or not, but it didn't work for me. As simple as that. So before I tell you the processes of creating Clickbank account, I want you to simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this piece of information I am giving to you to your friends on the social media. The first step you have to take towards creating a Clickbank account while you are in Nigeria is change your IP address. This is how you know the IP address, the country's IP address you are using. Here is Nigeria IP address. If you surf the net, here Clickbank is going to track where you're coming from and see that you are using Nigerian IP address. Therefore, they cannot give you access to their database, to their marketplace. What I will require you to do is simply change your IP address to United Kingdom. Here, as you can see, I cannot participate in Clickbank marketplace without changing my IP address to United Kingdom, because people in United Kingdom are allowed to participate in Clickbank. So this is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is to follow simple instructions which I'm going to give to you. Those instructions, you have at hand your personal information, your banking information, which is information coming from your Payoneer account, and the third thing is to have your account information, which is your Clickbank account information, and that is the information I'm providing here. As you can see, the nickname and the password. And there are some instructions that are given here, such as use 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, 2 numbers, and 2 special numbers. So you just have to use them. Abide by the simple instruction carefully. My instruction usually to my students is that so many persons will have to forget their password after creating their accounts, and they begin to do trial and error. Try your luck. Please, if you are creating your password, it is very necessary that you take it easy. One. Secondly, you have to be writing it down immediately. Don't cram it. Don't say you have it off head. You have to be writing it down until it is properly entered. Now, after everything, all you need to do is scroll down and hit that button, create account. I tell you, you just land into Clickbank marketplace. This is Clickbank marketplace, and here you can see XN 306, and it's just as simple as that. It is even simpler to create Clickbank account than to market Clickbank's products. One thing is to create Clickbank account, and another thing is to market the product and start making money out of it. To further show you that Clickbank still works in Nigeria for so many of us here, if you watch now, that very account XN 306 was created on the 20th July 2018, and no money have been made here. Everything is still zeros, no dollar, nothing. So before you could know it, before the end of July, on the 31st July 2018, XN 308 earned its first commission, which is $38, and by August it has started earning. And as you can see, it's beginning to accumulate. This is the weekly sales commissions that was earned. To cut things short, and make it snappy. AKSN 306 is still earning. Before the end of October, September, October, this very account have started earning me more than $100 per day. But I tell you, it's because I've been into Clickbank for more than getting to 1 year now, if I may say, it's getting to 1 year now. So I've known the secrets. I have known how to run the program. And as you can see here, this is not easy. I tell you, I risk a lot of money, but I tell you, no money risked in Clickbank can just waste. So I think I've got results. To further convince you, this is my Payoneer account. I have $2,800 here, which is a big sum of money. $1,000 is approximately $360,000. But I tell you, you must have to put in money into Clickbank before Clickbank starts giving you money. Please don't just throw your money away. You need the tactics, you need the tools. With the right tools, right digital tools, you participate in Clickbank, and Clickbank gives you money. I've got 2 videos available for you. One is how to create Clickbank account while you're in Nigeria, and secondly is complete Clickbank affiliate marketing. This number 2, you have more one inside number 2, and depends. Some persons are already good marketers, and if you think you are good, you can market your product. Good. I give you a video on how to create the account. You create your account and run your programs. If not, you better go for complete Clickbank affiliate marketing. If you want this video on how to create a Clickbank account, you have to hook me up on the phone number given here. And this phone number, you either call or WhatsApp me on this number, or you send me an email on this very email address. I prefer WhatsApp or call because the SMS, the information, the messaging is instant. Email is also instant, but sometimes one may be rushing off to the office and may not have time for your email. It has to take some hours, sometimes days, before you attend to it. So I would prefer you hooking me up through this number. You either call or your WhatsApp. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this information I've given to you. Subscribe so that my next video, you'll be among the first that will get my video, which I shall drop very, very soon. I see you at the top.